So to finish this very video, this camera button here is for image search. If you want to search a product, maybe you found from an Instagram store or you found online, then you can search the product using this picture. Once you click on this picture, you now look for where you store those image, then search it. Then when you scroll down, you can see the prices of these products here. You have this sneakers, all-star sneaker. This is 40 yuan. So we can quickly go to this 40 yuan, which costs, since you're paying through agents charge between 52 naira to 53 naira. Some may charge 54 naira. So what you do is have to make your calculations based on the amount agents will charge you. Now go to calculator. 40 times, let's say 53 naira. This means that the sneaker will cost 2,120 naira compared to what you have 2,067 naira. So there's a difference of less than 100 naira. Then scroll down to study how this page looks like. So in our next video, I will show you how to start searching for products, how to understand everything about 1688, from knowing how to research on sellers, knowing how to find products, researching on how genuine the product is or not. So let's get started.